Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a course in which I teach you about the uses of ChatGPT. You can also learn this skill and also earn money by giving this services online. In previous video I teach you about how to write blog post, general blog post, and in today's video I will teach you about how you can create affiliate articles through ChatGPT, and that's it. So first of all we will go to amazon.com because we have to select a product on which we have to write articles. So I am going to all electronics, camera, and this one. I copy the name and here I write so I tell him that what I I want to do. I want to write affiliate article on, and double column and write the product name, and do not use robotic words, and article must be human written, and that's it. So I click on this and let's see what it gives. Enhance your home security, peace of mind with this, and in today's fast word and the safety, you can see it do not gives any robotic word. It is just like human written content, and overview, key features, and etc. This is a great. So you have to choose like 5 cameras, and you can also write article like top 5 cameras in 2024, or in June, in January, in February, etc. So in this way you can write affiliate articles, good affiliate articles with fully optimized and keywords with ChatGPT. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.